Hi guys, today we're going to play SlitherIO. But he can't run away. Seriously? Then you'll miss all the feature videos. So please don't miss them. They're super fun. And it's super fun to eat people when they're dead. Hey, this is mine. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. I almost got killed. Oh! I was on the leaderboards!
What?
Okay, I think I'm going to end this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.